Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we are doing a silk press today, aka a natural press. And initially she just she just scheduled a press, but I was like, you need to trim right. So luckily she let me cut it. So you'll see that later on in the video. So yeah, as usual, I'm not going to talk too much. My technique is pretty much the same. I use a tension method for blow drying. I am going to use a pressing comb because she has very thick hair and it's very curly, very kinky. So I did use a pressing comb at the roots. I'm using my Babyless flat irons. Same product, same heat protectors. I'll put them on the screen. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Now when I'm cutting someone's hair, I always take a picture. She wanted me to take one on her phone, which was fine. So then I'm showing her how much needs to be cut. I let her know like, this what needs to go. I'll cut whatever you're comfortable with. And she was like, just go ahead and cut it. So we did it. I love when they say just go ahead and cut it because honestly, if it needs to go, it needs to go. And it's going to be better in the long run. And then I took another picture and now I'm showing her that the length is still there and it looks so much better. And you can see from the head now she agrees. So glad we cut it. She was happy with that. So that is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and TTYM.